This is the case for my driver bits. As you can see here, a lot of bits. So this case is the Milwaukee Shockwave case. I think it comes in two sizes. It comes in this larger version and then a narrower version. I just bought the cheapest bit set that I could find that comes in this larger version. I mainly bought it for the case and not really for the bits. The reason why I like this case so much is that, one, it's easy to open, but also on the inside, you can kind of see that there are these moldings on the inside of the case. And those moldings are used to hold different types of inserts. So here I have some 3D printed inserts that hold these 1-inch long, 1/4-inch hex shank bits, and they hold them upright. Another feature of this is that they are magnetically held in, so they don't go all over the place. So if I take one of them out, you can see how this works. So again, 3D printed insert. On the bottom, you can see that there are magnets that are pressed in, and I found that they're a little easier to put in when you alternate them, so north-south, north-south. You'll also notice that there's like a row of bits and then a space and then another row of bits. You can kind of see here this spacer. This spacer is just another 3D printed piece with some foam on the top. And the reason why I did that is because that these bits are actually a bit too tall. If you were to not have these spacers in here and then fill everything up with bits, and then you tried to close them, the bits would just bump into each other. And so with these spacers and them being in an alternating pattern, you can kind of see that when this closes, it sort of interlocks like teeth, and so they don't bump into each other. And it closes just like that. Also, this foam here acts as some padding. When it's closed, it pads the row across of it, so that's kind of nice. Also on the top here, I have a bit extension, just in case you need to use it in the drill. These inserts are actually not designed to rotate. I know that the inserts that come with this case, they're designed to rotate down flat for storage. These inserts are just designed to stand straight up because I find it a little bit easier to have all the bits straight up, and they're easier to grab and put away. So, yeah, there you go.